Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. In today's lesson, I'm going to teach you how to understand geometric series. So, let's get started. So, first, define natin yung geometric series. It is the sum of the terms of a geometric sequence. Okay? So, when we say geometric sequence, each term is found by multiplying the previous term by a fixed number called the common ratio. So, ibig sabihin guys, when we say a geometric series, it is when you add the terms of a geometric sequence. Okay? Kumbaga, ipa-plus nyo lang lahat ng terms sa isang geometric sequence. Okay? So, the sum S sub n of the first n terms of a geometric series is given by the formula. We have S sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r. Kung saan, yung a sub 1, that is our first term. Yung r is the common ratio of our geometric sequence, and n is the number of terms. Okay? So, let's have our first example. Find the sum of the first 5 terms of a geometric series, 2, 6, 18, 54, and so on. Okay? So, first, let's identify all the given values. Okay, so una, meron tayong first value dito. Yan yung ating first term, which is positive 2. And then, let's try to get the common ratio. So again, paano ba nakukuha yung r? Just divide any term by its preceding term. So try natin. 18 divided by 6. So ang sagot natin 3. So what if kung ang pinili mo yung 6? 6 divided by 2, that is also positive 3. Okay, so ganun guys kumuha ng common ratio. And then yung n natin dito is equal to 5 since we are asked to find the sum of the first 5 terms. Okay, so ibig sabihin ang number of terms natin is positive 5. Ngayon, let's try to get the geometric series. Okay, so substitute the values to the formula. So may formula tayo ng geometric series. Again, we have S sub n equals a sub 1 times 1 minus r raised to n all over 1 minus r. Tama? So, S sub n, that is our S sub 5, equals yung ating a sub 1, which is positive 2, times 1, this is constant, minus r. So, ang r natin is 3. Okay? And then, n is equal to 5. So, we have 3 raised to 5. All over 1, so again, 1 is constant, minus r, which is 3. Okay, so ngayon, simplify natin to guys, using PEMDAS. Siyempre, uunahin natin yung nasa loob ng parenthesis, lalo na yung exponent, we have 3 raised to 5. This is 243. Tama? Sa may denominator naman, pwede na natin yung isubtract. We have 1 minus 3, that is negative 2. Okay, then subtract natin 1 minus 243, that is negative 242. Okay, so multiply natin 2 times negative 242, that is negative 484, then divided by negative 2. So since dalawang negative yan, magiging positive yung sagot. So 484 divided by 2, that is 242. Okay, so therefore, the sum of the first 5 terms of the geometric series is 242. Okay, naintindihan ba guys kung paano natin ginamit yung formula? Next, let's have example 2. Find the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series 5, 10, 20, 40, and so on. Okay, so again, step 1 natin, identify all the given values. So, meron tayong 5 as our first term. Yan yung ating first value. And then, solve for the common ratio. So, by dividing the term by its preceding term. So, 10 divided by 5, that is positive 2. Tama? And then, yung number of terms natin, this time we have 10. Since ang sabi dito, find the sum of the first 10 terms. Okay? So, we are looking for the geometric series, yung S sub 10. Step 2, substitute the values to the formula. Again, ito yung ating formula for geometric series. So, input natin, S sub n, that is our S sub 10, equals A sub 1, which is 5, times 1, which is constant, minus R raised to n. So, ang R natin is 2 raised to n, which is 10. Okay? Over 1 minus R, so that is 1 minus 2. Tama? So, simplify natin. Unahin natin yung 2 raised to 10. Ang 2 raised to 10, guys, that is 1,024. Okay? Sa denominator naman, we have 1 minus 2, which is negative 1. So, subtract natin to sa main numerator. 1 minus 1,024, that is negative 1,023. And then times 5, that is negative 5,115 divided by negative 1. So, magiging positive 5,115. Okay? So, therefore, the sum of the first 10 terms of the geometric series is 5,115. Okay, nasundan ba guys yung ating example 2? Next, let's have the word problems. Example number 3. Jessa decides to save 100 pesos on the first week and triple her savings every week. How much will she have saved in total after 5 weeks? Okay, so this is a geometric series problem since Jessa triples her savings every week. Ibig sabihin, meron tayong parang common ratio, no? Or yung fixed multiplier. Okay, so step 1 natin. Let's identify all the given values. So sabi dito, Jessa decides to save 100 pesos on the first week. So meaning, ang first value natin o first term natin is 100 pesos. Yung common ratio natin, ito yung fixed multiplier which is triple. That is times 3 or 3. Tama? So ang tanong dito, how much will she have saved in total after 5 weeks? So ang number of terms natin is 5. Then, ang kinukuha natin is yung total. Okay? Yung kanyang total savings. So, step 2, substitute the values to the formula. We have S sub n, that is S sub 5, equals A sub 1, which is 100, times the quantity of 1 minus R raised to n. So, 1 minus R, that is 3, raised to n, which is 5. Tama? All over 1 minus R, that is 1 minus 3. Okay, so simplify the equation. 3 raised to 5, that is 243. Then sa denominator naman, 1 minus 3, we have negative 2. Okay, so subtract natin to. 1 minus 243, that is negative 242. And then times 100, we have negative 24,200. Okay, then divide by negative 2. So, since dalawang negative yan, magiging positive yung sagot. We have 12,100. Okay, so therefore, after 5 weeks of tripling her weekly savings, Jessa will have saved a total of 12,100 pesos. Okay, naintindihan ba guys yung ating example 3? Next, let's have example 4. A viral post gains 50 shares in the first hour. If the number of shares triples every hour, how many total shares will it have after 6 hours? Okay, so this is another geometric series problem. Tama? Since sabi dito, where the number of shares triples every hour. Ibig sabihin, meron na naman tayong fixed multiplier o yung common ratio. Pag sinabing triples, times 3. Tama? So, identify natin yung mga given values. So, a viral post gains 50 shares in the first hour, meaning, ito yung ating first value o first term. 50. Okay? Then, ang common ratio natin is yung triples, that is 3 or times 3. Tama? And then, sa problem, how many total shares will it have after 6 hours? So, ang number of terms natin ngayon is 6. Okay? That is our n. Then, ang pinapakuha is yung total shares. Okay? The sum. Okay? So, try natin. Substitute the values to the formula. So, we have the same formula, yung geometric series natin. Kung saan S sub n, that is our S sub 6, equals A sub 1, which is 50. Okay, times 1 minus R raised to n, that is 3 raised to 6, over 1 minus R, that is 1 minus 3. Simplify the equation. 3 raised to 6, that is 729. And 1 minus 3, that is negative 2. Then 1 minus 729, that is negative 728. Then times 50, okay? Then divided by negative 2, so we have 18,200. So therefore, after 6 hours of going viral, the post will have accumulated 18,200 shares in total. Okay? Naintindihan ba guys yung number 4? And that's it for our lesson today. I hope you were able to understand the topic. So if you have any questions or clarifications, feel free to drop a comment below. So thank you guys for watching. This is Prof. D. See you on the flip side. Bye!